Hey there, space enthusiasts! Have you ever gazed up at the shimmering moon and wondered what secrets it holds? Today we're diving deep into the mysteries of our celestial neighbor. Buckle up because this is going to be one fascinating ride. So, over 4.5 billion years ago, our young Earth had a massive collision with a Mars-sized body called Theia. This cataclysmic event wasn't just a cosmic mishap, it gave birth to our moon. Since then, the moon has been more than just a pretty face in the night sky, it's been silently shaping the destiny of our planet. Did you know the moon stabilizes Earth's tilt? Yep. It keeps our seasons from going haywire. Without it, our climate would be a chaotic mess. In this way, the moon is like Earth's cosmic guardian, keeping things balanced and life-friendly. And let's not forget about the tides. The moon's gravitational pull controls the rise and fall of our ocean tides. This rhythmic dance influences marine life, coastal ecosystems, and even ancient navigation. For centuries, humans have depended on the moon's cycles for fishing, farming, and timekeeping. Culturally, the moon has always been a superstar. It's been worshipped by civilizations like the Mayans, Chinese, Egyptians, and Greeks. It's been a goddess, a god, a symbol of love, madness, and rebirth. But despite all this attention, we've only scratched the surface of its mysteries. Now, what about the far side of the moon? Misleadingly called the dark side, it's not actually dark. It's just hidden from Earth, always turned away because of tidal locking. We didn't get our first glimpse of it until 1959. And what a rugged, cratered face it has. Remember when Neil Armstrong took that iconic small step in 1969? That was a game changer. But here's the thing. We've explored just tiny patches of the moon's vast surface. There's still so much to discover, like frozen water, strange magnetic fields, and maybe even lava tubes that could shelter future explorers. Speaking of the future, NASA, China, India, and private companies are all racing back to the moon. Why? Because it might be our launch pad to Mars, a base for telescopes, and a source of valuable resources like helium-3 for future fusion energy. Imagine living on the moon someday. It's not going to be easy with its harsh radiation, low gravity, and extreme temperatures. But as technology advances, our silent guardian might just become our next frontier. The moon has been watching over us since the dawn of time. It influences our planet, inspires our myths, and holds keys to our future. The more we learn, the more it reminds us how much we still don't know. So here's to the moon, Earth's silent guardian, and perhaps its greatest mystery waiting to be unveiled.